Hello, how to solve for A and B in this equation? A plus B is equal to 12. AB is equal to 12. A plus B is equal to 12. Let's call this equation 1. AB is equal to 12. Let's call this equation 2. From equation 1, A is equal to 12 minus B. Let's call this equation 3. And from equation 2, AB is equal to 12. Let's divide both sides by B, divided by B, divided by B. This will cancel this. A is equal to 12 divided by B. Now, let's call this equation star. Let's substitute this equation into our equation 1. That is, A plus B equal to 12 when A is equal to 12 divided by B. Or you may also use this equation 3 as well to substitute for A, but I'm making use of this. Then we have 12 divided by B plus B is equal to 12. Let's multiply all through by B. 12 divided by B multiplied by B plus B multiplied by B is equal to 12 multiplied by B. This we cancel this. We have 12 plus B times B. B squared is equal to 12 times B. 12B. And we have 12 plus B squared minus 12B is equal to 0. We can rearrange this. That is, B squared minus 12B plus 12 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation which can be solved using quadratic general formula. From quadratic general formula, B is equal to minus B plus or minus square root of B squared minus 4AC divided by 2A. And from this equation, A is equal to 1. A is equal to 1. B is equal to minus 12. C is equal to 12. Then B is equal to minus bracket B is minus 12 plus or minus square root of minus 12 all square minus 4 multiplied by A is 1 multiplied by C is 12 divided by 2 multiplied by A is 1. Then from here, B is equal to minus times minus 12, that is 12, plus or minus square root of minus 12 squared, that is 144, minus 4 times 1 times 12, that is 40, minus 48, divided by 2 multiplied by 1, 2. Here, B is equal to 12 plus or minus 144 minus 48, that is square root of 96 divided by 2. Let's see this 96 because we have 96. There's something goes here, 3. Then here, 3 in 9, that is 3. 3 in 6 is 2. Then something goes, we have 2. 2 in 32, that is 16. Then something can still go here, 2. 2 in 16, 8. Then 2. 2 in 8, 4. Here, 2. 2 in 4, 2. 2 in 2, 1. Now, let's see. 2 times 2, 4. Times 2, 8. 8 times 2, 16. From here is 16. Then, and 3 times 2, here is 6. Therefore, this 96 can be written as 16 multiplied by 6. Okay? B is equal to 12 plus or minus square root of 16 multiplied by 6 divided by 2. Here, B is equal to 12 plus or minus square root of 16 multiplied by square root of 6 divided by 2. B is equal to 12 plus or minus square root of 16, that is 4, multiplied by 6, that is root 6, divided by 2. Then this is B is equal to 12 divided by 2 plus or minus 4 divided by 2, root 6. 2 here, 1, 2 here, 6, 2 here, 1, 2 here, 2. Then B is equal to 6 plus or minus 2 root 6. Therefore, B1 is equal to 6 plus 2 root 6, and B2 is equal to 6 minus 2 root 6. These are the value of B. We can solve for A since we've gotten the values of B using equation 3. From equation 3, equation 3 is, look at equation 3 here, A is equal to 12 minus B. Then A equal to 12 minus B. Now let's see. A1 is equal to 12 minus B1. Then when B1 is 6 plus 2 root 6, A1 is equal to 12 minus bracket 6 plus 2 root 6. A1 is equal to 12, let's open the bracket, minus 6 minus 2 root 6. Then A1 is equal to 6 minus 2 root 6. This is the value of A1. Now let's solve for A2. A2 is equal to 12 minus B2. Now A2 is equal to 12 minus bracket B2 is 6 minus 2 root 6. A2 is equal to 12 minus 6 plus 2 root 6. Therefore, A2 is equal to 6 plus 2 root 6. This is the value of A2. Therefore, our final answers are A1, B1 is equal to 6 minus 2 root 6, 6 plus 2 root 6. Then A2, B2 is equal to 6 plus 2 root 6, 6 minus 2 root 6. We can see that A1 here is B2 here. Then A2 here is B1 here. So this had the final answer. We can check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation A plus B equal to 12, AB equal to 12. Now, when A1 is 6 minus 2 root 6 and B1 is 6 plus 2 root 6. So we can check using any of these, but let's use A1, B1. We may also use A2, B2. Then A1 is, from here, A1 is 6 minus 2 root 6, then plus B1 is 6 plus 2 root 6. Then this will cancel this. This must be equal to 12. That is 6 plus 6 must be equal to 12. 6 plus 6, this is 12, is equal to 12, which is true. Then let's check using the product here. That is AB is equal to 12. Then we already know that A1 is 6 minus 2 root 6 multiplied by 6 plus 2 root 6. Everything must be equal to 12. Now 6 times 6, this is 36. Plus 6 times 2 root 6, that is 12. Root 6 minus 2 root 6 times 6, that is minus 12. Root 6. Then minus 2 root 6 multiplied by plus 2 root 6. This will be minus 4 multiplied by 6. Then everything must be equal to 12. Here we have 36. This will cancel this. Minus 4 times 6, that is 24, must be equal to 12. Let's see now. 36 minus 24, this is 12, is equal to 12, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.